Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is about pronouns he and she. We'll find out when to use them in sentences. He is used for a male like boy or man. For example, dad, brother, and grandpa. Rolly is a boy. He is a boy. We use he in the place of Rolly since it's a name of a boy. My brother is tall. He is tall. We use he in the place of brother since it refers to a boy. She is used for a female like girl or woman. For example, mom, sister, and grandma. Noralyn is a girl. She is a girl. We use she in the place of Noralyn because it's a name of a girl. My sister is kind. She is kind. We use she in the place of sister since it refers to a female. Always remember he is used for a male like boy or man. She is used for female like girl or woman. Let's answer some more exercises for the sake of practice. Blank is my mom. The answer is she because mom is female. Blank is my dad. The answer is he because dad is male. Let's review. Always remember he is used for a male like boy or man. She is used for female like girl or woman. Now that you know how to use he and she in a sentence, let's practice using them with simple English exercises. Let's do this! Complete the sentence with he or she. Blank is my grandpa. He is my grandpa. Blank is my grandma. She is my grandma. Blank is my mom. She is my mom. Blank is my dad. He is my dad. Blank is my brother. He is my brother. Blank is my sister. She is my sister. Sort the words in the correct column. You may pause the video if you need more time. Let's see if your answers are correct. Mom, she. Dad, he. Brother, he. Sister, she. Grandma, she. Grandpa, he. Uncle, he. Aunt, she. Miss Lily, she. Mr. Jeff, he. Here are the list of names for males and females. Let's group them accordingly. We use he for the names of males like Eddie, Faustino, Fred, Joseph, and Jeffrey. We group the names of females in she, like Juanita, Milagro, Vilma, Juveline, and Lilibeth. Good job! I hope you found these exercises useful. If you do, click like and subscribe to see new videos on our channel to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!